In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Canva to TV. If you've ever built a presentation, slideshow, or video in Canva and then realized you were stuck showing it on a small laptop screen, you know how frustrating that can be. The good news is that getting your Canva design onto a TV is actually very manageable once you know the right setup. In this guide, I'll walk you through both a wired option and a wireless option so you can choose what works best for your device and your TV. First, open Canva and go directly into the presentation or design you want to display. This part matters more than people think. A lot of users stay on the Canva homepage and start looking for display or presentation tools there, but those options work properly only after the actual project is open. So from your Canva dashboard, find your presentation, slideshow, or video project and click it so the full editing workspace loads on screen. Next, let's cover the most reliable method first, which is a physical cable connection. Check your laptop or computer for a video output port. This might be HDMI, USB-C, or mini display port, depending on your device. Then connect the appropriate cable from your computer to an available HDMI input on your TV. Once the cable is connected, pick up your TV remote, press the input or source button, and switch to the HDMI channel that matches the port you used. At that point, your TV should display your computer screen, which means your Canva project is ready to present on the big screen. If you'd rather connect wirelessly, Canva also gives you a presentation sharing option. With your design still open, look at the top of the Canva interface and select Present. If you don't see it there, open Share and then choose Present. This will open the presentation settings menu. From that menu, choose full screen mode. Then look for the Present Share link option and copy the link Canva generates. On your TV, if it has a built-in browser or if it's connected to a streaming device that supports browsing, open the browser and enter that link. Once it loads, your Canva presentation will appear on the TV and can be viewed full screen. To make presenting easier, Canva also lets you control the presentation remotely from your phone. In the presentation controls, open the More Options menu and choose Share Remote Control. A QR code will appear on screen. Scan it with your phone and your mobile device will become a remote, allowing you to advance slides from anywhere in the room. And that's it. With the right setup, you can present your Canva work on a TV smoothly and confidently. Whether you prefer a cable connection or a wireless one, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.